This is a good find. And Paul didn't see it. Let's go show it to him and see him get all sad. Whew. DVDs?
There's stuff for DVDs.
Mm-hmm. Clark's.
How many of them is it?
Or Shine. How many of what?
I was talking.
Oh, gotcha. Do you know what size these are?
These 12s.
These 12s. Nice.
Yeah, they have
What?
DVDs for
Nice.
that.
Yeah.
25 years old.
That's considered vintage now.
Vintage.
20 years is vintage. 2001 is vintage right now.
Take a look at Nick.
You want
a lot of
25
money.
years or do you want 125 years?
Paul, they got a whole bin of shoes for $5 over there. Well, I think
the whole bench right
I think each pair. They got Florsheim's and Clark's and dress shoes.
Are we gonna walk, Dave?
They're too big for me.
Did you see any
I'm gonna walk down here, guys.
Nothing I want.
Nothing there.
Well, there is actually. There's a bunch of Harry Potters, and you can lot them together.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking about.
Yeah.
doing,
But some of the cases are damaged, so
but that's
not worth my time. Cloud 1.
Oh, the hat was eating, Dave.
Is there a 40 from them? These are mellows.
What do they go for?
Okay.
Are they real?
They're real. I don't think she really wore them much either.
Oh, there's a little one, yeah. Oh, nice. What are those worth?
Not 40.
No, like if you're gonna sell them, what would you get?
65, 70.
So these are like mint, but I don't know what brand they are. No, Cloud 1.
Look like the decent size. A lot of New York stuff in North Carolina.
Comadre. Represent. Oh, pensé que te iban a gustar.
Let's see this.
I'm from Philadelphia.
Hey, I usually pick the Eagles in my pool.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Well, with the spread, they haven't been doing too bad for me.
Yeah.
'Cause, you know, you have to look at that spread. If
Oh.
that right win, I'm not gonna, you know.
Yeah, we always cover.
Yeah.
We never win, but
Would
we
you do
always
15
cover.
on these or no?
Sure.
Okay. On the Nikes, would you do like 20 on them or no?
The Kyries?
Yeah.
No.
No.
I did
But
30.
15?
I did 30 on
You
them.
do 30 on them?
Yeah.
Hmm.
He barely wore them.
Gotcha.
He's 12 years
You can
old.
get 'em if you
He's
want.
got
I
11
don't
and
know.
a half size.
You said 30. I don't know if you think that's good.
He just goes through the sneakers like
Too fast, right?
ridiculous. And I used to like just give them away, but then I'm like going broke buying them sneakers. So
Yeah.
Yeah, I get you.
it shows you
2,
some of it back, you know.
3.
But you know, if you want for 25, you find the other ones, they'll be okay.
25?
Yeah, I think 25.
What do you think, Paul? Should I do them for 25?
Very popular, and it's funny, when we bought those, I went back to buy the size up, because you get a pair of sneakers and you like them, and you just want to, thank you, you know, and they were sold out.
Really?
Sold completely out.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, alright. Well, I did it. It's too late now.
70.
Okay. They're mine, I guess. I guess I bought them. These are nice. Thank you, guys. Have you ever seen these?
No, what is that?
The Hokas?
That's the Hoka brand? I never
Yeah.
knew that.
Yeah.
I always just saw the Hoka on the side.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably.
That's the better buy.
What did you pay for the Hoka?
15.
Oh, yeah.
That's the better buy. But figured he'd give me a bundle, so it's alright. Hey, there you
Oh,
go.
you bought something!
Did you buy it?
$8.
Nice.
I assure you, this was 3 or 4
Are you
times
buying
that.
it for you?
Yes.
Okay. Those are nice little chair and couch set
Yeah.
for you, and you can bring it home in your truck.
If that works.
Got some ornaments.
Deep River Brewing Company.
Ooh, is this a cheap? Beauty for Life. No. Never heard of that one.
Why do I see a Deep River Brewing Company?
Why? No, Clayton.
Why do I see River?
Why do you own this item?
What is this? Why is this here?
Why is what?
He's joking. He's
Oh,
joking.
the deep river. Well, you know.
I don't know. What do you think?
You got her nervous, Paul.
Me?
Yeah, she's like, what? What do you mean?
I didn't ask her. He asked her. That was her dad.
Electric and Rose.
I was just trying to
How much are the clothes?
trying to be coy over here.
Tops, bottoms are $2. You're a clothes man. Hey, look, did you see this? It's got its tag.
Yeah.
Have you heard of that brand, Electric and Rose?
It's. I don't think it's that good. You don't do clothes, dude?
No.
Not a clothes guy?
I don't like listing it. Land's End, like cashmere stuff, no?
That really casual?
I don't know. It's a nice material.
Land's End is.
How's it going, sir?
Yeah, how's it going?
Pretty good.
Yeah, actually, no, I made blanket.
I don't want anything
Oh,
here.
that sandwich smells good.
It did.
Madewell is good.
You should go take, what is it?
That's a good
Medea?
one. Madewell.
Oh, well, it's probably made well. Medea. But you don't buy Medea clothes?
I'm not joking. Was that Medea?
Orvis? I'm just gonna yell out names. Boyfriend?
Boyfriend is usually Old Navy.
Calvin Klein?
Okay. Oh, boyfriend is the style. It's not a brand.
Oh, Calvin Klein?
Oversaturated.
Billabong, J. Crew. Those aren't good. I know that. What about Andrew Mark? Isn't that Kohl's?
Could be.
I think that's Kohl's.
What team is this?
Purple team.
Purple team. I love it.
Harry Potter. Wizarding World of Harry Potter?
Well, that could be good.
Yeah.
This
Look,
one is like a light dark.
this is interesting. It's got like something inside it. What is that? The sleeve?
Nobody does.
How comes with pants? You might want to sell that.
You want?
I don't know. I don't do clothes. I won't ever list it.
You don't do clothes?
Halogen? I'm a nudist. Halogen? I don't know. I don't know. Not really. You guys got any?
We gotta go back.
You guys got any old video games stored up in the attic?
Do you have any new video games?
Snowman for
Got-
yeah.
I'm
sure.
pre-video.
Pre-games. How about records then?
My kids never rented that stuff.
I never into that.
No
Okay.
records. My daughter has records, but she listens to them.
Ah, yeah. Smart.
What are you getting, Dave?
Nothing.
Nothing.
I'm skipping.
Why? Help
I don't
help.
see anything I need.
We got some.
Two.
All right. Oh, I got a snowman.
We weren't gonna do the hangers though. Is that all right?
Oh, hangers are in front.
Do you need them? No.
Put everything back.
We're short on we're short on hangers.
There's a hanger storage not there?
No, we just like
They're gonna continue to hang their clothes in the new house.
used to get
How much is the stuff in this bin? Your little party favors and stuff?
$2
Oh, those would be good for,
Yeah, there's a bunch of
Little timers.
Yeah, there's a timer.
Oh, cool.
Good brand.
Yeah. The bubble
Yeah,
ones.
2 for $1 for anything in there.
One,
I'm thinking we're gonna do a New
Two.
Year.
Yeah, bubbles could be fun for that.
$3. Let me see what else is in there. What is that? Red Robin Star Patient Award. They're timers, yeah.
That was when Shane,
It's interesting.
I used to run youth group, and like these were gifts that we got donated. I
Here's
don't
another one now.
still use these. Are they
Yeah.
expired?
I don't know. That would be funny to roll up and they're like, we didn't offer this for like 8 years.
Valid for kids 10 years
Two,
younger. No purchase
three,
necessary.
four.
Sign in only. Photographs. There's no. They're not written on that there was any
Yeah, it's interesting.
I give it a shot. could be worth something.
Free kids meal at Red Robin. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, $5.
Need a bag?
Sure. Here's a 5.
Great. Here you go.
Thank you. Okay, thank you.
You want us to craft it?
Oh yeah, hello.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Good, how are you? Wow, what's an Oser? Electric inflator. Oh, look,
I'll make it good. Uncle Wiggly.
Uncle Wiggly. Wow. my
your
favorite
favorite.
thing.
I know.
You guys,
Yeah,
what's your name on YouTube? You guys got business cards or something?
This guy has a small channel.
NC picker.
Oh, okay. Dude, I think I.
He has like 15 million subscribers.
I do not.
And I'm Philly Flipper. I'm here for my account.
I gotcha. So,
Yeah.
so it's good to.
Let's see if I have a card. I don't
Yeah,
know.
definitely. I always try to give folks
I
subs.
usually.
How are their prices here?
Sure, I usually do, but I don't think I have one today.
Excuse me. I'm sorry.
You local?
Yeah. I live right down the street.
I don't actually have a card, but you just like
you search
NC. It's where we
NC
live.
Fixer.
Pick
NC
picker.
Picker and Flipper. He has 2 channels.
I do have 2, yeah.
You guys find anything good today?
I got a lot of LOL surprise stuff,
I gotcha.
and
I just get it.
Some
Everything
shoes.
I find is
Yeah,
good.
but that's.
yeah,
No, I feel that. I do that. I got
it's all treasure.
Oh,
I
try.
primarily
There you go, you got a grinder.
What everybody wants.
Oh,
That's
look
an
at that.
inflator.
It could be worth.
Yeah.
Alan, are inflators worth anything?
Huh?
Are power inflators worth anything?
Here's the thing. You can get a Ryobi handheld
Yeah,
for $25.
and that's like an off-brand, I think. How much are the DVDs? Did you ask?
He wants 30 for the whole Game of Thrones.
Oh, that's not.
He doesn't have 8 though.
Yeah, it's okay. It's not great.
yeah, I'll definitely.
Hey, Dad, what's this?
I like these. That's
Those are nice gloves. $2. How much is DVDs?
50 cents.
25 cents. Okay. 25 cents. Let me see if I can find 3 more.
Here's mine.
Get me to $1.
How much is this?
Blu-ray or
It looks like just DVD.
the Blu-ray ones are
Yeah.
solo, man.
Yeah, but the DVDs, I don't think.
Look at the Blu-ray.
I think that's that specific set
Yeah.
though, because it's like a collector's thing. I don't know. I'm just gonna buy a handful. Because they're a buck.
Here's a regular Blu-ray right here. 120.
Mm,
But these are DVDs. I don't think it's worth it.
no, I don't either.
one charger, 2 batteries.
Okay, let's get out of here. I don't know why I want the Elf on the Shelf game. I just do. What is this
What's
thing?
the,
I don't know,
what's
chest or something?
FAO Schwartz?
That's a big toy store, yeah. Yeah.
Just
Did you buy the inflator, Al? Oh,
Somebody did though.
Thank you.
$3.
I got
Get you
my
cash.
own.
You got your own
I
inflator?
got my own inflator.
Oh, hot
Wow.
dog.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a big.
Are there any more sales around here, do you know?
I don't
I
know.
think the whole neighborhood. I don't know about our little area, but
$3.
I know the
Thank
whole
you.
neighborhood's
There you go.
having a sale.
Cool, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, 20.
You bought a putter?
Oh, that's 20. Wow.
What's that?
All right.
Scotty Cameron, is he good?
Thank you.
Al, did you buy that grinder? Nice. That'll be good for grinding stuff. Ripstick. Hello. Good. Yes. Attack of the Leaves. Hey, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
Hey. Tony.
I have $20,000. Wow, this is a good find. Wii Sports Resort. This is a good find. And Paul didn't see it. Let's go show it to him and see him get all sad.
What the hell? Where'd you find that?
There. How much are the games?
$1 a piece.
Okay.
I'll give you $2 a piece.
What? So $3. Is this a Sensi? Or it's some
It's
similar
that,
thing?
and it look. I mean, it's supposed to look like that. You
Okay.
Just, you melt
Put the
chocolate.
wax in. Oh, chocolate, really?
or anything you can melt. But you
Ah.
melt chocolate.
It's
and,
not a
oh yeah,
Sensi.
That's cool.
Colada.
You melt. It's
That
a
sounds
light bulb.
delicious.
It's $1.
$3 for these games here.
It's an airsoft gun.
These are for your
Oh,
games.
I was buying weaponry.
Are there any more sales down here?
Yeah,
Yes,
there's,
ma'am.
yeah.
How much is the Twilight series? Or how much are the books, I guess, is a better question?
$1
Oh, $1 piece. I got you.
I already paid you for this, right?
Steve, you missed the bun battle video.
Bun battle?
Yeah.
I'll take those 3 books
Okay.
Oh, there might be.
for vampires, you know. Is there the 4th one?
There might be. I thought that was the same thing. I think they're
No,
together.
that's
Actually,
that's
so
the
this
antithesis to that.
this one, my son is Silverchair is probably in here, huh?
Oh, I could, it would take me till the day I die to read that.
Someone colored this one really well.
Yeah, I think my daughter did that when she was bored.
It's like all over me.
No, he wrote that.
1, 2, 3.
What is that?
Whatever. Let's do
It
it.
melts chocolate.
$4.
You dip strawberries in it or bananas or.
Hey everyone, Dave here. Thank you so much for coming with me on those yard sales. We had Paul the Philly Flipper and my mom and dad with us, so it was kind of a wild time, and we had a lot of fun, so I hope you did too. Got some really cool things today. I just wanted to point out one of my favorite finds for the day was these little timers, right? These corded timers. You wouldn't think they're worth anything. I was basically giving up on that sale, saying, yeah, I'm not going to get anything. Found those as I was just sitting while, everyone else was chatting. I was like, yeah, let me look in this bin. Found like 8 or 9 of those and 50 cents a piece. I've already sold 3 of them for 25 a piece. So every time I sell one, it's selling for 25 plus shipping. So I brought $75 out of $1.50 so far. By the time all is said and done, I'm going to make almost $300 on these little timers. Great pickup. And Paul the Philly Flipper missed it, so make sure you go over to his channel. I'll put a comment down below and say, hey, Paul, you missed the timers. Ha ha ha. We met a viewer there. That was pretty fun. We talked to him about his day a little bit, and I got the little Elf Christmas game, which only has sold comps of like $10, but I was going to keep it and play it with the kids anyways, and I got a handful of DVDs. I'll make a little profit there, but nothing crazy. My dad bought a grinder that he just left with me because he said he gets frustrated he comes here and I don't have one, so I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to use it for. I guess I'm going to grind some stuff later. So the shoes, I got those Kyries and the Hokas. I'm not a big shoe reseller, but Paul had told me the Kyries were pretty good, and I brought the guy from 40 bucks down to 25 on them, so I almost got them for half price, and then I got the Hokas. The Hokas look like they sell for around 40, and then the Kyries look like they might only sell for around 42, so I'm really glad I didn't pay 40 bucks for them. So I paid $40 for the 2 pairs of shoes. I'm hoping to get 80 back. Not the best buy, but definitely will make some money. And then at the last sale, I got a couple of books. I'm going to try to sell that little Twilight series, a set of 3 for like 20 bucks. The Narnia, my kid's already reading, and he was missing a book, so he wanted me to get him that. And then I did find Wii Sports Resort and Wii Sports and another game. I don't think the other game really had any value, but the 2 Wii Sports games I should bring in around $40 to $50 for those 2, and I paid $2 for them. So definitely a nice profit at that sale. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead, hit the like button, put a comment. What was your favorite find of the day? And if you do want to see me buy an awesome boombox and have a lot of fun, check out this video next.